Hi guys, good evening सबको. We'll wait for some time. Okay, we'll start the session at 9:05. Hi Tanoy, hi Mala, good evening. We'll start the session at 9:05. Okay, sorry, not 9:05, my mistake, 7:05. Yes, so hi guys, good evening again to all. Yes, I can see some chats. Pujita, Kiran, Nakshata, good evening guys. Others also good evening. We'll start our session now. Yes, Kiran, I'm good. Thanks for asking. So today we'll be covering up mixtures and allegations and partnership. And if time permits, we'll also start time, speed, distance, and time and work. Okay, depending on the time we have. Yes, so good evening guys. सबको वापस से let's start our today's topic. Others will join. Okay, so my voice is audible, right? To all? Yes, sir. Okay. So let's start now. The first thing that we are going to learn today is mixtures and allegation. We'll start one by one. Okay. Mixture is a different concept, allegation is a different concept, but they are generally used together. So, mixture, as the word states, we are going to have two or more than two quantities mixed up. Okay. Two or more quantities mixed up in a certain ratio. I told you, right? These all chapters belong to ratio and proportion. So some quantities are mixed up in a certain ratio. Okay. For example, I have a mixture of 100 kilograms in which sugar is to salt is equals to 4:1. So I need to find the quantity of sugar and the quantity of salt. Yesterday we did a part this question kind of question. Divide rupees 1162 among three people. It's similar to this. So please find the quantity of sugar and salt. I hope all of you can find this. It's a very easy question. Just hi Poonam, good evening. Others also please try to solve, guys. Please solve this. Find the quantity of sugar and salt. Good. Nachiket gave us an answer. 80 and 20. Others? 80 and 20. 80, 20. 80, 20. Anyone who is not understanding how to find this, please let me know. 80 and 20, sir. Others, jaldi, 80 and 20. Anyone who has a doubt in this question? 80 and 20. 80 and 20. Good one. Okay, great, guys. Great. So let's see how to solve. So it says sugar and salt are in the ratio 4:1. That is 4 parts are sugar and 1 part is salt. So how many total parts are there? 4 plus 1? Yes or no? That is the mixture consists of 5 parts. In this 5 part, try to understand. Okay, if you have not done this, try to understand. 4:1 means 4 part is sugar and 1 part is salt. So the total mixture will be 4 plus 1, 5. That is out of 5, 4 is sugar and 1 is salt. Now, this is the ratio between sugar and salt. So I can tell the quantity of sugar is 4 by 5. Why 4 by 5? 4 is the sugar's quantity divided by 5 is the total quantity. Into, I know the value 100 kg. That is out of 100 kgs, 4 by 5 part. Why by 5? Why not by 1? Because that is sugar is to salt. When we need to calculate a value, we always divide by total, not by the other fraction, not by the other ratio. Okay? This is the complete mixture, 5 units. 4 units is for salt, 1 unit is for sugar. So the quantity of sugar will be 4 by total unit, 5 into 100. On solving this, you will get 80 kg. And out of 100 kg, if sugar is 80 kg, how much is salt? 20 kg. Or what is the salt's ratio? 1 divided by what is the total? Remember, always total thing you have to find. 4 plus 1, 5. into 100. So this is 20 kg. Is this part understood? Anyone has any doubt in this question? Yes, sir. 80:20, correct. Anyone has any doubt, please ask. Yes, Bhanu, good evening. Others, please ask if you have any doubts. Is this clear? Shall we proceed? No doubt, sir. Others, did you understand how to find the value when the ratio is given? Yes, you can do it, Tana. You can do by using X, but we are trying not to use X. Using X will take 10 seconds more. Okay. We have to think a way in which we don't have to use X. Okay. Please explain once again, Sheikh. See, what is happening is the ratio between sugar and salt is given. 4:1. That means 4 plus 1 out of total 5 parts. Total is 5 parts. 4 plus 1. 4 part is sugar and 1 part is sand. Sorry, no, not sand, salt. 1 part is salt. So if I want to find the quantity of, this is the ratio. Now, if I want to find the quantity of sugar out of 100 kg, what will I do? I'll write the part of sugar, that is 4, divided by the total parts, that is 5 into 100. Why 100 here? This is not percentage or 100. This is 100 because 100 kg is given. If it was 500 kg multiplied by 500. On solving, you get it that sugar is 80 and salt is 20. Is it done? Shall we proceed? We are going to do very, very interesting questions today. See, frankly speaking, in the complete quantitative aptitude part, mixtures and allegation is the most interesting as well as the toughest part. Here, questions, if you go on higher levels, questions can be very, very difficult, but at the same time, very, very interesting too. Okay, so we are going to discuss how different variety of questions are asked in mixtures and allegations. Okay, so let's start. Ready, guys? This was just the basic to make you understand. Okay, now let's see questions on mixtures, actual questions on mixtures. So don't panic. I am there to make you guys masters of mixtures and allegations. This is our chapter. Don't worry. I'm in 120 liter is 7:5. First, I'm giving this question. This is not a complete question. First, find the quantity of milk and the quantity of water here. All of you. The ratio is given, total quantity is given. Find the quantity of milk and water. Jaldi, jaldi. 70 and 50, 70 and 50. Very good, guys. Nachiket, Dinkle, very good. Sakshi, 70 and 50. Others, did you understand how to get 70 and 50? Very, very easy. Just now we discussed. Guys, please reply fast. Jaldi, jaldi, ekdam. Fast. 70, 50, 70, 50. Great, 70, 50. I got others answer also. Again, 250, 260 students. What happened? Yesterday we had 600 plus. Today we are only having 250. Count is decreasing. This is not a good sign. 70, 50, 70, 50. Great. 70, 50 is the correct answer. Okay. See, quantity of milk is how much? Total is 7 plus 5, 12. First understand this concept. 7 plus 5, 12. Out of which milk is how much? 7. So quantity of milk will be 7 by total 12 into 120. This is 10. So this is 70, right? And quantity of water is how much? Again, 5 by 12. Tell me others, guys, did you understand this question till now? This is not the complete question. I'm going to ask the main question. This is just the first step. Any one of you has any doubt? If you feel difficulty in this step, other steps will be more difficult for you. So if you have doubts, please ask now. Anyone? All clear? Others? Yes, sir. Chalo, theek hai. Then let's proceed. This is not the question. Okay. Now I'll change the question. See, the question becomes interesting now. 10 liter of water, this is H2 only, is added into it. Then the new ratio then find basically the new ratio between milk and water. Is the question understood by all? First tell me. Did all of you understand the question? There was 120 liter in which the ratio was 7:5. Now 10 more liters of water are added. Find the new ratio. I want answers. Don't worry, if you are not able to solve, that is also a good sign. I will make you able to solve this question. 7:15. 7:15. Okay, Sakshi, is the final ratio I'm asking? 7:15. Are you sure? Think carefully. The question is find the new ratio between milk and water. Be careful while solving, guys. I'm giving you 1 minute, 1 till 2 minutes. By 9:18, 1916, 1918, I'll ask the answer. Let's see who gets the answer. 7:6, 7:3, 76. No, I'm talking about the ratio, Veena, not the quantity. Please tell me the ratio. 7:6. Veluri got 7:6. Anavantika got 7:6. 7:6. No one is Googling, right? Please don't Google. Use your own brain while solving. If you are Googling, then that's no point. Okay, Sachin also got 7:6. Nitya got 7:6. Pujita got 7:6. Rit got 7:6. Great, guys. 7:6 is the correct answer. Okay, now tell me, how did you solve it? Any one of you write it down. Jaldi. Yes, Zainab, I'll explain it. Don't worry. I'll give you the shortest method to solve this today. Today, mixtures will become, again, what was the proverb? Cup of tea for you. Adding 10 liters into 50 liters of water. Very good, very good. See, it's such an easy question. What did we discuss before? Write it like, always solve the question like this. Milk is to water. Kitna tha? 7:5, right? It was 7:5. Now, since the ratio was 7:5 and the total quantity is 120, I know what was the value here, 70 and here 50. Yes or no? I already calculated. That is why I gave you the first question. Calculate the amount of milk and water. This is initially. Is this point getting understood? Yes or no? First tell me. The ratio was 7:5. This is the ratio and this is the quantity. 70 and 50. Yes or no? 70 and 50 is the quantity. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, what I'm doing? I'm adding what? 10 liters into water. Did I add anything to milk? Am I adding anything to the milk part? Jali batao, am I adding anything to the milk? No, sir. No, sir. Yes, Shrutika, can you see this question? Milk is to water is 7:5. So the quantity of milk is 70 and the quantity of water is 50. We already discussed how to solve it, right? 70 and 50. Now, guys, please, okay, this is the first step. We are going to solve multiple questions based on this level, okay? Like this is the level 0 question, not even level 1 question. Level 0, then level 1, then level 2, then level 3. We'll solve it like this. So it's very basic for you to understand this concept. 70 and 50 is the quantity. In water, we are adding 10 units. In this, we are adding nothing. So 0. Let's say 0. So what is the final value here? Finally 70. And what is the value here? 60. What is the ratio? 7:6. Easy or not? Easy or not? Now tell me, easy or not? No, it's not easy. Yes, sir. I said no, sir, is for that. No, no doubts. Okay. Others tell me, easy, right? Yes or no? The one who had doubt, Veluru, no, not Veluru, sorry. Who had doubt? Okay, Zainab, did you understand this point? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Others, Shrutika understood? Clear. Great. Last one, please repeat. Okay, Vaishnavi, see, we have added 10 liters to water. So from 50, water is becoming 60 liters, right? 60 liters. But milk is remaining same. We did not add anything to the milk. So the ratio is 70:60. That is 7:6. Understood? Now I understood my mistake. Okay, great. Understood. Chalo. Now let's solve the second question. Understood all of you? Anyone has any doubt? No? Chalo. Second question. Let's see if you are able to solve this. See, I'm telling you, I'm increasing the level 1 by 1 for you. And this is a very, very, very interesting concept. You know, when I was a student, I felt this as the most difficult topic because I did not have a faculty like me to teach me. This is, I'm not boasting. I'm just telling this as a fact. Mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 9:11. Check carefully the question, okay? 6 liters of milk and 6 liters of water is added to make, let's see who are able to solve this. A little bit different from that one. To make the ratio 11:13. I don't want any X solvers. X solvers is, I don't want anyone to solve it using X method. If you solve it using X method, then you are going to class 8, 9th. I don't want you to go there. I want you to think differently. No problem. Take 2 minutes. Think in a different way. Find the initial amount of mixture. I guess, did I get an answer? Okay, Shrutika, you did not understand. Okay, let's see. We'll discuss this question. Okay. I hope you'll be able to understand this question. Find initial quantity of mixture. Okay, so okay, Shrutika, we'll repeat this question. Don't worry. Okay, first try to solve this question. If you are not able to solve this also, we'll repeat it. 60. Okay, Sakshi, again I'm telling you, Sakshi, don't be in harbadi. Don't. There's a proverb in Hindi, harbadi mein garbadi. Don't do that. Think carefully and then solve. Sorry. The question is different. My mistake. Shakshi, you might have got the correct answer. Find the initial amount of milk. It's my mistake. Find the initial amount of milk. $27 liters. Okay. Good one, Sakshi and Bharti. Sorry, Sakshi, that was my mistake. 27 liters. Others? 70:50. BMC youth boys, we are far ahead. Please solve this question. Yes, easy. Did you solve it? Shrutika? Pujita, I'm not able to do, sir. Yes, Pujita, don't worry. I'll explain this. Didn't get the question, sir. Okay, Archana, see, the question is, initially the milk and water is 9:11. We don't know the quantity. We know the ratio. After that, 6 liters of milk and 6 liters of water are added. Now, the new ratio becomes 11:13. Find the initial quantity of milk. Let's see, 27 liters. Okay, 27 liters. I want a good solution for this. Any one of you, please write the solution how you have solved. Not X method. I don't want any X method. Let's see. We'll be leveling up the questions. Don't worry. Okay, we are going to solve a very difficult question also. Difference in the ratio is 3. Okay, difference in the ratio is 3. Sakshi? No, sir. 2. Yes, 2. Correct. Very good. 2, sir. 1 minute. Chalo, theek hai. See, the question I'll tell you. Okay, those who did not get, please check here. Varanasi 66. No, Varanasi is the wrong answer. Sir, please send some. Yes, I will do that. Don't worry. I have already given them to upload. Like, I have already given them that yesterday's sheet for profit and loss and compound interest, simple interest. Okay, that you will get by tonight, I guess. And ratios you will get tomorrow. Okay, so find the initial quantity of milk. Now, guys, see, I'll tell you. Milk, I told you to I'll take this. Milk is to water. Okay. Now, initially, I means initially. Shartak will answer your question, okay? Our team will answer this question within a short span of time. Initially, the ratio was 9:11. Yes or no? Finally, how much it becoming? How much is it becoming? 11:13. Yes or no? We can see that the difference here is 2 units. Here also and here also. Yes or no? Anyone having any difficulty understanding this part till here? water is becoming 11 से 13, milk is becoming 9 से 11. Yes or no? Correct. 2 units का difference? No sir, difference is 2. Okay. Now since the difference is 2, अच्छा, one more thing I can check. The amount they have added is also same. The ratio is also increasing by the same units, and the amount is also same. That is, here also 6 liters is added. Here also 6 liter is added. Try to understand the question. Here from 9 you get 11. Here from 11 you are getting 13. Increased by 2 units here also, 2 units here also. And the quantity you have added is also same. So you can write 2 unit is same as 6 liters, yes or no? Basically, after adding 6 liters only, now this 2 unit is increasing, yes or no? Is this point getting understood? I am trying to make it as clear for you as possible. After adding this 2 units only, after adding this 6 liters only, these 2 units have increased. So I can tell the value of this 2 unit is same as 6 liters. So value of 1 unit is how much? 3 liters. Yes or no? 3 liters, value of 1 unit. How much milk was there initially? See, initially the milk was 9 units, right? 9 units. The value of 1 unit is 3 liter. So the value of 9 unit is how much? 27 liter. Is this question understood? Please tell me yes or no. I hope I have made this very clear. Anyone has any doubt, please write it down in the chat box. Giving 15 to 20 seconds to process this question. If you have any doubts, write it in the chat box. I am going to increase the level of the question. So understanding the basic is very important for you guys. If you have difficulty in understanding this, it will be impossible for you to understand the next one. This once again, last part explains, sir. Okay. See, the increment is 2 units. So I written plus 2 units in the ratio. And I know how much quantity I have added, 6 liters. Now this is a very important condition. Both the places, the increment is same and the amount added is also the same. If they are different, then we are not going to apply this logic. Remember this. Since here also 2 unit is increasing, here also 2 unit is increasing, here also 6 liter is added, here also 6 liter is added. So I can say that 2 unit is equal to 6 liters. That means 1 unit equals to 3 liters. And how much milk? The question is find initial quantity of milk. How much milk was there initially? 9 units. Here 9. So 9 unit equals to 27 liters. If they asked how much mixture was there initially, how much mixture was there initially, then 9 plus 11, 20 units. Mixture was milk plus water. So 9 plus 11, 20 units. So 20 into 3 is 60. Shakshi's correct answer. Understood? Yes, Shrutika, please ask your doubt. Others understood? Yes or no? Anyone has any doubt? Clear, sir. Clear, sir. I hope all of you have understood this. Sir, mixture, tell one. Sorry, I didn't get this point, Naveen. Okay, mixture. Okay. How much is the total mixture? Total mixture is 9 and 11, right? Initially, see, milk is 9 and water is 11. So total is 20. So how much value? 20 into 3, 60 liters. If they are asking milk, answer is 27. If they are asking mixture, the answer is 60 liters. Okay. So I hope we can proceed now. Yes. For the next question. All of you are done with the question? Okay. Let's see. Third one. Now I'm giving you a different question. Let's see. In a mixture of 45 liters, ratio of milk is to water is 3:2. You are taking only milk is to water. No problem. ना क्या फर्क पड़ता है? How much water is added, this is. How much water is added to make the ratio 9:11? Solve this. 2 more minutes. The answer should come in 30 seconds actually, but I'm giving you 2 more minutes. Use the same kind of logic, use the similar kind of logic, not the same logic. Same logic will not apply here. Similar logic will apply. देखते हैं किसका आंसर आता है. The chapter is very interesting. I told you, you just have to play with ratios. Only playing with ratios is important here. If you know how to play with ratio, the solution becomes very easy for you. But if you don't know how to play with ratios, and if you start using X, then the solution will become lengthier and lengthier for you. All this I am using are tricks, small tricks, to solve it in the simplest form possible. Okay, chalo, jaldi batao. Answer. So slow, guys, come on. The people who used to give fast answers, what happened? 6:9. Archana got 6:9. Okay, Archana, 6:9. 6:9. No, the question, read the question. The question is how much water is added? Quantity, I need quantity. Not ratio. 9. 9 what? 9 liters you are talking about? Zainab. 12 liters. 12 liters. I got one answer is 12 liters. Okay, let's see. Is 12 liter? No, I'll not tell the answer now. 22. Varanasi got 22 liters. Okay, let's see others. 18 plus 9, 12 liters, 27 liters, 12 liters. Others, jaldi. Let me see the question. 19 liter. Okay. In a mixture of 45 liter, ratio of milk and water is 3:2. How much water is added to make the ratio 9:11? Okay. Now, this is what I wanted. Now I want to check whether you are able to understand the question or not. 20 liters. Ketan got 15 liters, Deepika 16 liters, Srinivas 14, Veena 20, 19, 14, 20, yeah, 12 liters, 9 liters, 27 liters. Nikita got 5 liters, Nachiket got 5 liters, Naveen got 5 liters. Till now, I got only one correct answer. Now you guys tell me which is the correct answer. Only one of you has given the correct answer till now. Let's see. Only one of you has given the correct answer. $20, sir. No. See, the correct answer has been given by Ketan. Good job, Ketan. Meghna also gave 15 liters. 15 liters is the correct answer. Good job, Meghna and Ketan. Now, can you write the process that you have done? Anyone? How did you get 15 liters? Either of you. But fast. 54 liters. Aishwarya got 5 liters. Clear, sir. Ashwatika, so we need 12 liters. No, guys. 15 liters is the answer. Aishwarya, Jyoti, Ashwini, 15 liters is the answer. Yes, Kiran also got 15 liters. Chalo, see. Okay, I'll tell you the process. Okay. Please be attentive. Please be attentive. We are going to play with ratios. What are we going to do? Play with ratios. Now, if you don't handle them with care, they will feel bad. If they feel bad, they will not allow you to play with them. And if you're not allowed to play with ratios, you will get wrong answers. Okay? So please handle ratio with care. Got it? Good evening, sir. I came to class. Okay, we are discussing mixtures and allegations, Ani. See, the point, guys, please be careful. Okay, milk is to water. Initially, ध्यान से देखना question को. 3:2. Okay, then it is becoming 9:11. Finally, yes or no? Is this part understood till here? IF, initial and final. Sure, all of you understood this part? Correct? Now, tell me one thing. Acha, let me do one thing. Let me write this final a little bit down. Nine is to 11. Now tell me, have I played anything with milk? Have I done anything with milk? Have I added anything to milk? Have I deleted anything from milk? Yes or no? No. I have not done anything to the milk part. I've added water. Did I do anything with the milk? Milk is as it is, right? So if milk, try to understand my point. If milk is changing from 3 to 9, that means milk should have been the same. Milk should not change. Yes or no? Because I am not doing anything with the milk, milk should not have changed. But here I can see this was 3, this was 9. So can I write this 3 is to 2 in terms like this? 9 is to 6. Can I write this? First tell me. Can I multiply both of them by 3? Can I multiply both of them by 3? Because I know that 3 by 2 and 9 by 6 are same ratios, similar ratios. Yes or no? See? So instead of 3 by 2, if I write 9 by 6, then also there is no problem. Is the point clear, guys? This is a very important concept. Please be careful. What I'm saying here is, let me raise this again. What I'm saying here is, I know I have not done anything to the milk part, but milk part has changed. From 3 it is becoming 9. So what can I do? Let my initial milk also be 9. I know, because even if I multiply the same thing here and here, the ratio is not going to change. I know this point, yes or no? So I can write the ratio of 3 is to 2 as 9 is to 6. Now I see milk is intact, milk is same. Yes or no? Is this point understood? Jaldi batao, ha ya na. If you are understanding this point, 50% of the question is done. Tell me fast, guys. Is this point understood? All of you, I want answers from all this time. This might be a little bit typical concept for people. So please, why are you multiplying with 3? So see, I am multiplying with 3. Here 3 is given, and here I know 9 is here. 9 is given. So what can I multiply in 3 to get 9? 3. So I have multiplied here also by 3, here also by 3. So that my ratio becomes 9 is to 6. Is this point clear till here? Because 3 is to 2 and 9 is to 6 are the same ratios. No problem. They are the same ratios, man. They are the same ratios. Now what is happening? If I am converting them 3 to 2 as 9 into 6, I can see there's a very big thing here. I can see milk is same, but water has increased. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, once again. Abhijit, did you understand now? I guess I already explained it once again now. 3 say 9, 2 say 6, but I have removed this part. Let this be gone now. Now I have to consider 9 and 6. From 9, milk is being 9, so no change. From 6, water is getting 11. So how much change? 5 units. Ha ki na, 5 units change. Yes or no? Tell me fast. 5 units change? Yes, yes. And now what do I know? Okay, one more thing. So basically I know that how much milk, how much water have I added? 5 units water have I added. No sir, please explain. Okay. Chalo, ठीक है. Let's go a little bit slow again. थोड़ा और slow चलते चलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Please pay attention this time, okay? I am saying milk is to water was 3 is to 2 initially. And finally it is becoming 9 is to 11. Okay. I know one thing, I have not done anything with the milk part. Whatever I have added is water. So why is my milk changing? My milk should not have changed. Right. Now, if my milk should not have changed, can I write this 3 is to 2 in terms of 9 so that milk here also becomes 9? So that I can say milk has not changed. I know if I multiply here by 3 and here also by 3, I'll get the ratio is 9 is to 6. Now, since I have got the ratios 9:6, I can consider this as my initial now. Because the region is 3:2 and 9:6 are in proportion. They are the same ratio. There is no difference between 3:2 and 9:6. So now I am not going to consider this as my initial. I am going to consider this as my initial. Instead of 3:2, I am considering 9:6 as my initial. Is this point getting clear now? Yes or no? Jaldi batao हाँ या ना. Tell me, guys. Others, if you have not understood, please ask. You can ask, no problem. Okay, you can ask n number of times. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Acha, now see. Now I can see milk was before 9, after also 9. Correct? Water was before 6, after 11. So how much increase? 5 units. Hi, Anna. 5 units increment. Now check here. How much was my initial quantity? 9 here. Don't, I have told you 3:2 is gone now because we have converted 3:2 in 9:6. So don't ignore 3:2. Ignore this. This is gone. Now what is our initial? 9:6. Whenever we are going to talk about initial, we are going to talk about 9:6 now. So how much total quantity is there? If this is 9 and this is 6, how much total units? 15 units. Hi Anna, jaldi batao, 15 units, yes or no? If this is 9 and this is 6, how much is total? 15 units. And I know how much was total mixture initially? 45 liters. So can I write 15 units equals to 45? That is 1 unit is equal to 3 liter. Can I write this? Unitary method. Jaldi batao, haan ya na. Anyone has any difficulty in understanding this? Again, you will tell, sir, the ratio is 3:2. Arey bhaiya, we have changed this 3:2 to 9:6. They are the same. Don't worry, they are the same. Okay. So 15 units is equal to 45. So 1 unit is 3 liter. Now, how much water are we adding? The question is how much water is added? See, 5 units. So 5 unit is equal to how much? 15 liter. Now, is this understood, sir? Come again with the last point. Okay, Achana, see, how much was the mixture initially? 9 here and 6 here. So 9 plus 6 total is 15. So I can say that 15 units is equal to 45 liter. That is 1 unit is equal to 3 liter. That is, acha, how much water is added now? 5 units is added. So 5 units equals to 15 liter. Take 30 seconds. And please tell me if this was understood. This was the first level of difficulty. I got only 2 or 3 correct answers this time, right? So I can tell confidently that this was the first level of difficulty. So were you able to understand the first level of difficulty? Can we go to the next level? Is it possible for us to go to the next level? Nikita is saying, sir, please explain once again. Okay, Nikita, see. Initially, mixture was 3:2. Finally, 9:11. I know milk did not change. So I will convert 3:2. I will convert basically the milk part from 3 to 9. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll multiply the ratio with 3, both sides. So initially, my mixture becomes 9:6 now. Now 3:2 is gone. Wherever it was 3:2, I'm going to write 9:6. So I can see milk was 9 before, milk is 9 after, no change. But water was 6 before and 11 later on. So 5 units have increased. Also, I know initially the units are 9 and 6. So total units are 15. So 15 equals to 45. So 1 unit equals to 3 liters. And I know how many units have we added for water? 5 units. So 5 units equals to 15 liters. Yes, correct, Kavya. 3:2 we have converted to 9:6. Correct. It is like movie twist. Yeah, Rajesh. Others, please reply Y and if you have understood. Please. Y for understood and for not understand. First level, okay? First level. Again, I'm telling you, abhi bahut aage jana hai. This is the first level. Remember the first thing that we told, mixtures and allegations is said to be the most difficult. It's not difficult, but out of the other chapters, it is the most difficult. Okay. Shall we proceed? Hi Anna. Chalo, bahut badhiya. Let's proceed now. I want correct answers from at least 10% of the students now this time. Okay. I have given you the logic now. Now using the same logic, you have to solve other questions as well. This is to milk is to water in 5:7. Matlab the ratio of milk is to water is 5:7. It's a very easy question. All of you can read the question. 144 liter of mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 5:7. How much milk must be added to get the ratio 23:21? Jaldi. Jaldi. Same logic, exact same logic, no difference. $32. Priyanka got 32. Others? $18.32. Come on, guys, don't take 32. Kiran also got 32. Posted twice. Okay, no, this is still the Dinkle got 32. Others? 32 liters. 40. Jaldi, guys. इतना टाइम नहीं लेना है. 41 414 लीटर्स. अरे बाप रे बाप, 414 लीटर्स. माय गॉड, इतना गलत कैसे हो सकते हो भाई? 18 liters, 32 liters, 45, 32, 18. A lot of you are giving the answer as 32 and others are giving as 18. 44, 24, 32. ठीक है, 32. Guys, Priyanka was the first one to get the correct answer. 32. Others also got 32. Good one. Good job, guys. 32 is the correct answer. Good one, Priyanka, and good one. Good thing, other ones. ठीक है, कैसे सॉल्व करें? बेसिक्स पता है मेरे को. मिल्क इज टू वाटर 5:7 initially. And how much finally? 23:21. What am I adding this time? Milk. That means what is not changing? Good one, Ashwini and Kavya also. What is not changing? Water is not changing. So I know 7 can be written in terms of 21. How? By multiplying with 3. So this becomes 15:21. So now this is not considered. Now this is gone. 5:7 is gone. Now my initial is 15:21. Now see, no change in water, but there's a change in here. This is 8 units plus 8 units. Also, I know initial it was 144. Again, one thing, initial 144. Now don't add 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is out of the scenario now. Now initial is 15 and 21. ये बात समझ में आ रही सबको? Initial are 15 and 21, not 5 and 7. Understood? So 51 plus 21, 36. So 36 unit is equal to 144 liters. So 1 unit barabar 4 liters. How many did we add? 8 units. 32 liters. Now tell me one thing. If you did not know this logic, what would you have done? Achha, first tell me, this question is understood by all? Yes or no? Anyone has any doubt? The people who got wrong answer, is this question clear now to all? जिनका जिनका गलत आंसर आया सबको समझ में आई बात? Sir, please explain once again. Okay, this is sorry, Mihir. Okay, Mihir, see, milk and water initially was 5:7 and later 23:21. I know there is no change in water. That means this should have been 21. So what I'll do? I'll multiply this by 3 and this by 3. That is, now my initial ratios are 15 and 21. Now see, final is 23 and 21. Initial 15 and 21. No change in water. 8 units change in milk. So I know one thing. Total mixture was 144 initially. So 15 and 21, 36. Be careful. Don't add 5 and 7. I'm telling you again. 5 and 7 is gone now. Now initially is 15 and 21. So add 15 and 21 to get 36. So 36 unit equals to 144. 1 unit equals to 4. And 8 units we have added. So 8 units equals to 32. Clear guys? Sabko samajh mein aayi baat? How 36 had come? Sir, explain again. I just explained. Kiran, is this still difficult for you to understand? Tell me. Which part are you feeling difficult? Please tell me. 36 had come. See here. 15 plus 21, 36. 15 plus 21, 36. Pranesh, Kiran, is this understood now? Mihir. Clearly understood, Ani. Mihir, yes, sir, clear. Okay. Someone else has right? Kiran, is this understood, Kiran? Shall we proceed now? Yes. Okay. Chalo. Now, what I was saying is, if you did not know this logic, what would you have done? Thank you so much. Great. Okay, no problem. No problem, Pranesh. If I did not know this logic, you know what would I have done? What would your friends would do now? If I give you, or if you give them this question now, see how they will solve. Where is this? Milk equals 5x. Water equals 7x. So 12x equals 144. So I'll get milk and I'll get water. How much milk must be added to get the ratio? Now let y liter be added. So milk plus y by water equals to 20. Did you use anything like this? You could have got the answer within 15 to 20 seconds. Okay. So try to avoid using x is the last step. If you are not getting any logic, then we have x. That is the last last thing for us to do. If we are not getting any other logic, then we are going to use x. Okay. Now check one more question. We are changing the type of question every time. This time it's a little bit different. A mixture contain milk and water in 6:5 ratio. 33 liters of milk. Achha, this is a good question. This is a new question. Okay. Is removed. Please, when I'll explain, please be careful. And replaced by same quantity of water. The new ratio. Start solving. If you know the logic, becomes 3:4. Find initial mixture. Is the question clear? First tell me. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 6:5. I don't know the total quantity. 33 liters of milk is now removed and replaced by the same quantity of water. Then the new ratio becomes 3:4. Find the initial mixture. जल्दी बताओ किसी को समझ में आ रही है बात? समझ में आई किसी को बात? हाँ या ना? अरे first tell me, did you guys understand this question? If you have understood, it might be easy for you. Yes, sir. Chalo, let's see who gets the answer. We have to go to allegation also after this, and then partnership also. We have to speed up a little, guys. I request you to speed up a little. No, see. Read the question, Tota. Read the question, Nagashi. Sorry. Read the question. Find the initial mixture, not the ratio. Find it in mixture, matlab what? Quantity, not ratio. Let's see who gets the answer. Please don't use internet. I request you not to use internet. If you are not able to solve, no problem. This is why we are here, to make you understand, to make you able to solve such kind of questions. Believe me, after this class, I told you na, ratio and mixtures will be a cup of tea for you. Are you now familiar with compound interest after yesterday's class? Are all of you familiar with compound interest and simple interest and profit and loss? Yes or no? Now, if I give you any question based on CI, SI and profit and loss, you will be able to solve. This is the same thing that we are going to do with ratios today. After solving this, any normal level question, I'm not giving you CAT level questions. Okay, that will not be asked. For that, we have to take 10 classes only for mixtures. We are not going in that deep level. But yeah, any question on a normal basic level, you'll be able to solve for sure. Using only this playing with ratio logic. Okay, don't let ratio play with you. They will play with your emotions. You have to play with them. भावनाओं में नहीं बहना है. भावनाओं में नहीं बहना है, ध्यान से. अरे किसी का आंसर नहीं आया. At least give me one answer. It's correct or wrong? I don't know. 21. Okay, it's wrong. It's wrong, Ani. It's wrong. 3 liters of milk, 9 liters of water, total 12 liters, sir. No, wrong. अरे 12 liters कैसे बेटा? देख क्या बोल रहा है? 33 liters of milk is removed. If you have 12 liters of mixture, how can you remove 33 liters? Use logic, na? Solo. Question समझो. Don't know, sir. Bharti. Okay, Bharti. First time you're saying don't know. फिर again PBT. What's your name? I am not very sure, but the question is asking mixture. 30 liters. No, Bharti. Again, see. What's the question? It says 33 liters is removed. Now, if the total mixture is 30 liters, can you remove 33 liters? Pavitra got 48. No, it's the wrong answer. Shall I tell now? हार गए सारे लोग. मजा आ रहा है मेरे को. I am feeling good. चलो, at least once no one is able to solve. Now this, why am I happy? Because now comes my role to explain it to you how to solve. Okay, see, all of you, please stop solving. Please stop solving. An interesting concept I'm going to teach you. The first concept is, if some quantity is removed, ratio remains same. Are all of you able to understand this point? It is difficult, sir. Yes, Bhaskar, this is my job to make this easy for you. Understand this point, what I'm saying. This is a very crucial point. If some quantity is removed, the ratio remains the same. Now, what does this statement means? I'll tell you. Okay, I'm drawing a diagram. This was my initial mixture. Okay, milk is to water as 6:5. What I have done? 2 steps. First, minus 33 liters. Correct? And then plus 33 liters of water. Yes or no? This question is solved in 2 steps. Yes or no? First tell me. This was the initial mixture. From here, minus 33 liters of milk and then 33 liters of water. Now, the statement that I gave you just now was, if something is removed, try to understand. When you have a mixture, it's not like ki milk is up and water is down. It's not like that. Sorry. This question is a little bit difficult. It's a mixture. Is that what I'm saying? 33 liters of mixture is removed. I wrote that as milk instead. What am I trying to say is, ki if there is a mixture of milk and water, you cannot separate ki this is milk and this is water from here. If you are going to take out something, let's say you have removed 33 liters, whatever amount is remaining here, quantity, I don't care about the quantity, the ratio will still be same of milk and water. Are you getting the point? Because they are in a mixture, they have been mixed before. So let's say you have taken a jug out, but the ratio will be same of milk and water. The quantity will decrease. From 12 liters, let's say you have taken out 1 liter. So the quantity has become 11 liters. But if the ratio was 6:5, now also the ratio will be 6:5 only. Is this point getting cleared? Yes or no? 121, Nikita. 121. Okay, Nikita, you are going somewhere wrong. I'll come to that point. Now, guys, please stop solving for 2 minutes and listen to what I'm saying. Correct, Tanoy. This is the logic. If there is a mixture of certain thing, milk and water, then this means that milk and water is not separated. It is mixed completely. If you are going to take out something, anything, any X liters if you have taken out, then the ratio will still be the same of milk and water. The quantity has decreased. पहले अगर 15 liter था, now it has become 10 liters after removing 5 liters. But the ratio is still the same. This concept you have to understand. But now if you add water, now what is happening? The ratio is 6:5. On adding, the ratio will change. If you subtract something, if you take out the mixture, the ratio will remain same. But if you are adding a certain quantity of water or milk, then the ratio will change. Is this part getting cleared by all of you? Each and every one of you, is this clear? Anyone has any difficulty in understanding this? First tell me. Clear. Others clear? Kappa, wrong answer 121. I'll tell you why. I'll come to that point. Chalo, theek hai. This part is clear. Now let's see what is the question demanding from us. Dekho dhyan se. I told you this question is solved in 2 steps. First, milk and water was 6:5. After removing 33 liters, I told you ratio will be same. So this is our original now. Okay. And what is the final ratio of milk is to water? Jaldi batao. 3:4. See, this is my question. Milk is to water. Originally is 6:5. Later on, 3:4. Finally, this is initial case. चल, अगर किसी को अब यहाँ समझ में आ गई आंसर तो बहुत बढ़िया, माशाल्लाह, सुपर्ब जॉब डन. क्या बोल रहा है? See, I am talking about this step, not this step. Here, that after removing 33 liters, also the ratio is same 6:5. So here, the ratio is 6:5, and here finally the ratio is 3:4. I know what is being added. What is being added? Water. That means there should have been no change in milk. So if milk was initially 6, milk should have been 6 here also. So I will multiply 2 so that this becomes 6 and this becomes 8. Now milk is intact, 6 and 6. Is this point cleared? 6 and 6, milk is intact. Water is changing from 5 to 8. That is 3 units. Just like the previous question, but a little bit different. 60 liters, sir. Now I understood, sir. It may be 7. No, galat answer, Bharti. Even that is wrong. I told you, don't try to solve now. Please, just give me 2 minutes. Don't try to solve. I will give you a more similar question like this to solve. Abhi ke liye 2 minutes, please stop and just listen to what I'm saying. Is this part understood? Milk here was 6:5, and then it is becoming 3:4. I know milk has not changed, so I'll try to make milk same. So I have multiplied the ratio by 2 to get 2:8. Let's write it down here. 6:5 and then 6:8, right? Milk and water. How much increase in water? 3 units. And I know how much water have I added. Replaced by the same quantity, that is 33 liters. So this increment is barabar 33 liters. Yes or no? 3 units is 33 liters. So 1 unit is how much? 11 liters. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is this part clear? 1 unit is 11 liters. Yes or no? 154. Good job. Who got Kappa? Very, very good job. 154 liters. Okay, I'll tell you how to get that 154. 1 unit is 11 liters we got. Now, how much is initial we have taken? 6 and 5. 6 and 5. 6 and 5 is total how much? 11. Yes or no? 11. So, 1 unit is 11. So, 11 unit is how much? 121. Yes or no? Is this part cleared? 121. 121. Kiran also got 154. Good job, Kiran. 121. Yahan tak sabko samajh mein aaya? Initially we are getting 121. Yes or no? Jaldi jaldi please write it down. Yes or no? Clear, sir. Others, I want answers from all. Is it clear? Yes or no? 121 liters. Anyone facing any difficulty in this part? Might be a little difficult for you. So please ask. No problem in asking. Okay. 121 liters. अब बोलोगे sir answer तो 121 आ रहा है. अरे भैया 121 is coming here. This is we are taking na initially. What was initial actually? This 33 liters have been removed. So total will be 121 plus 33. Yes or no? Initial तो ये condition था ना. यहाँ से we have removed 33 liters and then got this part. So the answer will be 154 liters. Is this point cleared? Isko I will explain in a different way. Don't worry. This the last step I will explain in a different way. First tell me, is this part understood? Why are we adding 33 liters? Because this was removed in the first step. So we are going to add it. Others, is it clear? Yes or no? Is it clear? Please tell me guys. Yes or no, sir? Please explain ratio. Which ratio are you talking about, Harsh? Just give me a moment. Harsh, please write down which ratio are you talking about. I'm drinking some water. 6 and 8. Where's 6 and 8? Where's 6 and 8? Sunita is saying no, did not understand. Okay, where's 6? Okay, see. Harsh, see. Milk and water finally is 3:4, right? 3:4 is given. And I know initially it is 6:5. Okay. I know one more thing, that milk is not changing. So milk must be 6. But here it is given 3. So what can I do? I can multiply by 2. Yes or no? If I multiply by 2, milk is same 6 now. And here water has become 8. So I can write the ratio 6:8. Okay, final one. Is this part understood, Harsh? 6:8. Now, I have seen that water was 5 and now it has become 8. So 3 units increment. And no, the quantity that has been incremented, 33 liters of water is added later on. So I can say 3 unit barabar 33 liters. So 1 unit is same as 11 liters. Total, how many did we have? 6 and 5 here. Here, this second step we are talking about. 6 and 5, we have 11 liters. Right? So totally we have got 121 liters, but this is still here. In the second step, we have 121. The question is asking initially what you have done. You have removed 33 liters and then you have got 121. So what was the initial amount? 121 plus 33, 154. Is this clear now to all? Harsh, any others? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chalo, I told you I am going to explain this in a different way. See, अब एक और इंटरेस्टिंग मेथड यहां से पढ़ते हैं. If you don't want to do this step, I have an alternative for you. ध्यान से देखना बात को. I'm going to draw the diagram again. This, and this. 3 conditions. This is 6:5. This is 6:5. And this we have already converted as 6:8, right? Yes or no? Here to here, minus 33 liter. Here to here, plus 33 liter. From initial to final, has the quantity now changed? Leave the second step. From initial to final, has the quantity now changed? Yes or no? Listen to the question carefully. From initial to final, has the quantity changed or is it same? Same. बहुत बढ़िया, same. बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. देखो, minus 33 liters was removed and then plus 33 added. No matter what is added. I am talking about the quantity. Here mixture was removed, here water is added. Ratio has changed. That is fine. I don't care about that now. What I am talking about, let's say here x liter was there. Here it became x minus 33. And here again x minus 33 plus 33, that is x. So can I say that here and here quantity are same? Yes or no? Jaldi batao, ha ya na? Not change, sir. So now instead of taking initial quantity from here 11 and then adding 33, can I take this quantity 6 plus 8? Because this is also going to be the initial quantity. Yes or no? Ye batao, ye point samajh mein aaya hai. 6 plus 8, why we are doing? I want the total mixture. Here also I have the total mixture. And I know that this total is same as this total. Why? Because 33 was removed and 33 was added. So can I solve it directly? I got total as 14 units. And 1 unit I got as how much? 11 liters. So total kitna aa gaya? 154 aa gaya? Ha ya na? Yes or no from here? Anyone has any difficulty in understanding this part? Yes or no? So here instead of adding plus 33, you can directly solve it from the last step. Guys, yes or no, understood or not? Once again, sir, okay, Ani. See, what I'm saying is, we have removed 33 and we have added 33. That means no change in the mixture. So that means final amount is same as initial amount. In the previous version, we solved the middle step and then added 33 because 33 was removed. But now I am telling you, instead of doing this, you can directly add the final step. Why? Because the quantity here, total quantity here is 6 and 8, 14. Would have been the same here also. Yes or no? Now you say, sir, here it is 11. Array, here it is 11, but 33 was removed. Nah, so you will do 11 into 11 plus 33. That is 154. Here you can directly say 14 into 11. That is 154. Answer is same. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? Same quantity initially and finally, so directly you can calculate from finally also. Yes, correct, Tanoy. Very good. Anyone has any doubt now? जल्दी बताओ यार. I'm tired now. Anyone has any doubt? Because we got 1 unit value, na beta, 1 unit value we got as 3 units. So 14 unit will be equals to 150. 1 unit we got as 3, na? Remember before, 1 unit we got as 3 because the difference of water is 33 liters. वहां से आया. So giving you one question now, one very important question. VVI. I'm not giving you this to solve. I am solving this for you. ध्यान से देखना, एकदम ध्यान से. Read the question first. It's saying there's a can of 50 liters milk, no impurity, only milk. Okay. Then 10 liters of milk is taken out and replaced with 10 liters of water. Mixture again is 50 liters. Yes or no? 10 liter of milk gone, 10 liter of water added. Some ratio now. Again, 10 liters of milk is taken out and 10 liters of water is added. You have to find the amount of milk here in the final. Amount of milk. Here you have milk and water both. Now you have to find what is the amount of milk and what is the amount of water. 30 liters. अरे जल्दी, इतना जल्दी आंसर. 30 liters. Pure milk. Yes. Yes. Find the amount of pure milk. 30 liters किसने लिखा है अभी? 30 liters, 30 liters, 20 liters, milk and water. अरे नहीं भैया, रुक जाओ. Hold on, hold on, hold on. ऐसे नहीं होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's not that easy. See, try to understand. I'm giving you a logic, okay? Please stop solving and listen to what I'm saying now. It's not an easy question, okay? It's a very important question, so it's very important for you guys to see here what I'm doing. Okay? Yes, I'll answer the question, don't worry. First, try to understand. What I'm saying is, initially there was 50 liters of milk, and then 10 liters of milk is taken out. Okay. Sorry. Check very carefully. ध्यान से देखना, ध्यान से देखना. Initially there was 50 liters of milk. Then 10 liters of milk is taken out. I am giving you the easiest method to solve. Guys, please stop solving for 2 more minutes. Please stop solving for 2 more minutes. I know, Priyanka, it's a logical question. Okay, we are not going to go in that deep. How can we calculate? but we can using separation method in chemistry and all we can. Okay, so I'm giving you the logic, so please give me 2 minutes. Please don't solve now. Please listen to what I'm saying now. Okay, please, for 2 minutes only. So total milk is to new milk, because ध्यान से देखना, in first step what is happening is there was total 50, then 10 liters of milk is removed. So how much new milk is there? 40. Yes or no? 10 liters of milk is removed. Now 40 liters of milk is there. Now it's saying this step is repeated twice, thrice, totally. Matlab first it is done, then twice more it is done. So 2 times I'm going to write like this, more every time. This is the logic to solve it. ठीक है, ध्यान से समझना. What I'm saying is, if total 50 was there, then the new milk is 40. So that the ratio is 5:4. At every step, the ratio is becoming 5:4. Remove this 0, 0 now. The ratio is becoming 5:4. 3 times we have done this process, and the ratio of total milk. Acha, now you'll say, sir, how to solve this? See, the logic of solving behind this is multiply them. 5 5s are 25, 25 is 125. And multiply this. 4 4 is 64, 16, 16 4 is 64. Now, what I want you to understand here is total mixture is 125 initially. Out of that, finally, the milk that is remaining is 64. This is ratio. This is not liters. Out of 125 units, mixture is not changing, right? Mixture is same. Mixture is same. So I can tell initially if there was 125 units of pure milk, now we have 64 units of pure milk after 3 steps. So what is the remaining? 61 units. This is water. Is this part understood? Jaldi batao pehle to. Nahi samajh mein aaya to fir samjhaunga. At every step, the ratio between milk and new milk. New milk, this is pure milk, man. This is pure milk. This is total milk is to pure milk. At every step, the ratio is 5:4, 5:4, 5:4. Okay. Is this point getting cleared? Yes or no? Why? Because every time 10 liters of milk is removed. So if total was 5, then 10 liters is removed. So 4 liters are remaining. 61, how it came? Arey beta, 125 out of 125 units. If 64 unit is water, then what is, if 64 unit is milk, then what is remaining? 125 minus 64 is 61. ध्यान से देखना, आप देखो what I'm saying. एक और चीज समझो. This is very important for you to understand. See, I can say 125 units was total milk initially. Because the ratio consisted of only milk before, and if I am replacing it with water every time, so is this unit going to change later at the third step? Try to understand my question. I'm saying initially I have considered 125 units of pure milk. After 3 steps, has my mixture changed? Every time I am replacing, not removing water, not removing milk, replacing with 10 liters of milk. So 10 liter gone, 10 liter added, 10 liter gone, 10 liter added, 10 liter gone, 10 liter added. So is my mixture intact? Is my mixture of the same quantity? So can I write even after later on 125 unit is the total mixture? Yes or no? Yes or no? Jaldi batao. Out of this 125 units total mixture, how much is pure milk? 64 unit is pure milk. 4 into 4 into 4. I am giving you the logic behind this to solve. Okay. This is the logic. Otherwise, I'll give you a formula also, no problem. But this is the logic. If you know the logic, you don't require a formula. So now if I ask you, find the amount of remaining milk. So this is the remaining milk. That is, out of 125, how much milk you are remaining with? 64. Now this is not answer. This is ratio form. We have to find the answer. How to form? What is the initial quantity? 50 liters. And what is the initial quantity we are getting? 125 units. So what can I write? 125 unit is equals to 50 liters. So 1 unit is equal to 50 by 125. And how much units do I require? 64 units of pure milk. So 64 unit will be equals to into 64. Is this part getting cleared, guys? I understand this might be a little difficult for you. So if you're not understanding, please tell me. I'll explain this again. No problem. But this is a very, very important question. Such kind of questions come. And don't think in a practical method. We cannot remove milk and water. That can be done using chemistry. No problem. Please explain it again. Okay, Akshata, I'll do that. I'll do that. And after that, I'll give you a sum like this. Don't worry, okay? One sum like this, then we'll proceed. Sumer also explain it again. See, let's solve it again. And this time, this is the final time I'm going to explain the solution because we are running short of time a little bit. So please be careful while understanding this. Okay, what I'm saying is, every time when I'm removing 10 liters of milk, the ratio of total milk to pure milk matlab only milk remaining, not the water part. So total milk initially was 50, then became 40 because 4 is removed, so 4. Okay, now 10 liter is again added, so total milk or total milk plus water is again 5. Out of that, 10 liter is again removed, so 4 is pure milk. In the third step also the same thing is happening. So no matter 3 steps or 4 steps are given, you have to solve it like this. Total is to pure. Total is to pure. How you will get pure? Whatever is there, 50 minus 10, 40 is pure. Every step it will be the same. It will not change. Then second thing is multiply them. You will get 125. Here you will get 64. This 64 is the final pure milk. That means if the solution consisted of 125 units, out of 125 units, if this was initial quantity of pure milk, now we have only 64 units of pure milk left. Is this point getting cleared? Yes or no? Quantity is not getting changed. Initially also 125 unit, but before it was only milk, 125 pure milk. Now 125 is milk plus water. Sumer, who did not understand, Sumer, Akshata, is it clear now, guys? So 125 value, because I know this was the initial quantity, is given as 50 liter. So I can calculate the value of 64. 50 by 125 into 64. Whatever is the answer is my answer. Clear ho gaya sabko? Please reply a Y or N, guys, if you have not understood. Jaldi, we don't have time. Please do it fast. Y, jaldi, 2 second में आंसर मारो. Y, जल्दी. समझ में आई सबको बात? चलो, बहुत बढ़िया. Jaldi, last question on this type, okay? Solve it fast. Within 15 to 20 seconds, I want answer, not less than that. From 50 liter of solution, 5 liter chemical, this is chemical solution, okay, chemical solution. From 50 liter of chemical solution, 5 liter chemical is taken out and replaced with water. Replaced with water matlab 5 liter of water is added. Same question, direct same question. I'm giving you the hint, same question. If this is done for 3 times, 3 more times, ऐसे लिखो. Sorry, not 3 more times, my mistake. 3 times. If this is done for 3 times, only 3 times, then find the chemical solution after third replacement. I guess all of you are now able to understand the question. There is a chemical solution of 50 liters from which 5 liter is removed and then 5 liters water is added. This is done 3 times. Find the final amount of chemical solution. 25.6. Okay, I guess the answer is wrong. Okay, Dinkle, this is for the previous one. Yeah, that is correct. 13M55. What is this? 13.55. No, Anuj, you have gone wrong somewhere. Please check. 3 times, not 4 times. 3 times in total. Attendance link has been provided to you. Guys, please go and fill your attendance. Also, please solve this question. 2 minutes. Jaldi, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. $36.45. Veluru, you have gone somewhere wrong. It's very close. Nikita, very, very close. Avinash, gone wrong a little bit. Are all of you using the same logic? Are kuch nahi, bachcha wala logic ekdam. 50 was there, 5 is removed. So what is the ratio then? Ratio batao. Tell me the ratio. Every step, what ratio will you get? नहीं Bharti, no. 10 is Kappa, very good. 10 is to 9. 10 is to 9. Tanoy, 10 is to 9. Good one. Kappa and this. See, this is solution, right? So let's write this in a different word. Solution is to pure solution. Okay. Total solution is to pure solution. Initially it was 50. Then 5 removed. That is 45, right? Cut this. We'll get 10 is to 9. Yes or no? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? 10 is to 9. 3 times repeated. So 10, 9 and then 10, 9. Multiply 729. Multiply 1000. That is out of 1000 units, 729 units remaining is pure solution. So this 1000 units is same as initial solution 50 liters. Yes or no? So 1 will be 50 by 1000. So 729 will be 50 by 1000 into 729. Hasta la vista. Not now. Not now. You'll get 34.45 answer. Cleared? 100. Very good, Kappa. Correct. 1000 is 709 answer. I mean the correct logic. Have all of you understood this question now? Jaldi batao, yes or no? Have all of you understood? Yes, Omkar, hi, tell us what's the problem. Are you facing any difficulty? That's Anuj. What's that, sir? But that's what? Anuj, please write it completely. What's your doubt? That's pure. No, sir. Yes, this is the question. No? Find the chemical solution after. This is the question. Find the chemical solution after the third replacement. This is what they're talking about. Pure chemical solution. This is what you have to understand. See, if they will talk about chemical solution, then it will be same, na? Because 50 liter is removed and 50 liter is added. Total is going to be the same. 50 liters only. ये बात सबको समझ में आ रही है? Agar if initially it was 50, then final also is going to be 50. So they will not ask this question. 36.45. Okay, have I gone wrong calculation? Achha, let me check once. Calculator. Sorry, I'm not using my brain because I've already used my brain today a lot. Okay, yes, guys, my mistake. Very sorry. Answer is 36.45. Good one, guys. Those who have got 36.45. Is this clear, others? Jaldi jaldi, yes or no? Others? Yes sir, please reply why. I want why from all. I want why from 440 of you, 414 of you, sorry. No, don't post all of you, otherwise it will be difficult. But at least 10% to 20%, 80 people at least write a why. Yes. Great job, guys. So is mixture understood by all now? I guess now any kind of mixture problems, if you practice, you will be able to solve. I gave you all kinds of different examples on mixtures. Okay? Yes. Now I'm presenting my screen and we'll discuss allegation. Allegation is a very small trick. Okay? What allegation means, you will see. All of you can see the screen, word file? Yes or no? All of you are able to see the word file? Yes. After 20 units per liter. Okay, see, the question was 20 units we got, right? Sorry, I forgot the question. Yes, so basically 1000 unit was equal to 50 liters. So 1 unit will be equal to 50 by 1000. So therefore 729 units will be equal to 50 into 729 by 1000. This is 20. On calculating this, will get 36.45. Is this clear? Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Chalo. Allegation. Now, what is allegation? See, a rule that enables us to find the ratio in which two or more ingredients at the given price must be mixed to produce a mixture of a desired price. Means there are two things of different prices, X and Y. Now I'm telling you in what ratio should you mix them to get a price Z. Okay, to get a price Z. This is, out of these two, one will be cheaper and one will be expensive. So expensive is called dearer here. You can say expensive, no problem. One will be cheaper, one will be dearer, and this Z will be mean price. Mean price matlab somewhere in between. So are you getting the point? Let's say there is one type of rice, type 1, of 10 rupees per kg, and type 2 of 40 rupees per kg. Now I'm telling you that you have to mix them in such a ratio so that you can sell them at 25 rupees per kg. So see, this is the cheaper, this is the rarer, and this is the mean price. Now you have to find the ratio in which you are going to mix them. Okay? So kuch tension nahi lena. It's a very easy concept. See, just remember this. Write it like this: cheaper, dearer. Always, no need of X, no need of Y, no need of all kinds of drama. Cheaper, dearer, and here mean in between. Let's say cheaper is 20 rupees. Let's say dearer is 50 rupees. Let's say mean is 30 rupees. You understood the example first? 20 rupees per kg rice, 50 rupees per kg rice, and mean medial value you want is 30 rupees per kg rice. So how much are you going to find the ratio? Like this: 50 minus 30, 20, and 30 minus 20, 10. This is the ratio. Isn't it easy? Yes or no? Yes or no? Mean is 35. No, mean I've taken is 30. Arey, it's not that mean. It's not average I'm talking about. I'm telling you ki if you want to sell the rice at a price of 30 rupees per kg, this is not average wala mean. Then what is the ratio you are going to mix them? Okay. So is this point clear, guys? All of you tell me first. Is this point clear? How to solve? cheaper, dearer, middle value. Subtract this right here. Subtract this right here. So, acha, this ratio is cheaper is to dearer. So, C is to D is 20 is to 10. That is 2 is to 1. Answer. Swaha. Done. Allegation. Allegation over. Only this is there in allegation, nothing else. Let's see a question. See, very easy question. क्या बोल रहे हैं ध्यान से देखना. Cost of type 1 rice is 15 per kg, type 2 rice is 20 per kg. Arey sir, I know this. I can solve. I don't need anything else. Cheaper 15, dearer 20. If both type 1 and type 2 are there in the ratio, now ratio is given 2 is to 3, type 1 and type 2. Find the mean price. I don't know mean price. So mean price ko what will I take? I know X, 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 X and X. Now what do I know? This is the logic and this is the logic. Yes or no? This, we solve it like this, cross multiply. So 20 minus X divided by X minus 15 is equals to 2 by 3. Guys, is this solution clear to all? If this solution is clear to all, that means allegation is understood by all. हाँ सब आंसर देख के नीचे से बता रहे 18 18 18. Use your own brain. Don't see my answer. Is anyone there in this class who did not understand this concept? Mean price we did not know, so we took that as X. So subtract 20 minus X and then not 15 minus X. Why? Because mean price is greater than the cheaper price always. So X minus 15. Is this clear to all? Jaldi, 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 jaldi. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? After this, we'll be doing partnership. Yes or no? Y or N? Jaldi. So late reply, guys. So late. Jaldi. No need to write Y if you have not understood. If you have not understood, write N. I'll explain it. But if you understood, attendance Tanu will provide again. Don't worry. But first tell me, is this question done to all? Is this question understood? More questions related to allegation. Okay, we'll do one more. Harsh N. Okay, Harsh said N. Not listens. Array, why didn't you listen, Ani? Come on. Once again. Chalo, theek hai. I'll show once again. What did I say? Cheaper I have written here. Dearer I have written here. What is the value? This is 15. This is 20. Ratio is also given. 2 and 3, right? 2 and 3. I don't know the mixed price, mean price. So I'll take that as X. Now I know the logic. Now this minus this and then this minus this is the ratio. So I will write 20 minus X divided by 15 minus, X minus 15 is 2 by 3. Now I can solve and get X. Easy. Easy peasy. Yes or no? Arey, no problem. Don't be so formal. Got this point? Yes, yes. Yes says yes. Okay. Let's see one more. Do I have? See. Achha, this is a different question. Hold on. This won't be coming in your part. Let's see this question. T worth, one second. This, I was talking about this one. Okay, not the CP one. Okay, we are talking about this one, yes. T worth rupees 126 per kg and 135 per kg are mixed with a third variety in the ratio of 1:1:2. 1:1 was the same ratio. If the mixture is worth rupees 153 per kg, find of the third variety. Find the price of the third variety. Okay, now here 3 items are there. But the first 2 items are in the same ratio. 1:1. So can I find the mean price for them 126 and 135? Yes, sir. I can find, see, basically I mean is one unit is 126, another unit is 135. So I can tell the mean price of them is this by 2, that is 130.5. Why am I finding mean price? Because these two are in the same quantity. Since these two are in the same quantity, I must use only 2 values for allegation. I cannot have 3 values. So the first 2 I made a single value, that is 130.5, because they are in the same ratio. Is this part understood? Since they are in the same ratio, the first and second I made as one quantity. Is this point done? Yes or no? Now we have got 2 variety, 130.5 and the other one is I don't know, but the mean price I know 153. Okay, the mean price I know. So can I solve it? Let this be x. So x minus 153 divided by 153 minus 130.5. Okay, now how many units we have taken from the first and second? 1 and 1, 2 units. And how many units we are taking of the second part? 2 units. So ratio is 1:1. Is this part understood by all? Jaldi batao, yes or no? Can you solve it for x now? N. Okay, Abhijit did not understand this point. Okay, fine, Abhijit, I will explain it once more. See, what I'm saying, there are 2 types, three types, A, B, and C. Here 1:1 is there. But I want, in mixture, I want only 2 types, right? B dash and C dash. So what I'll do, I have combined them, clubbed them, and find their mean price. Because they are in the same ratio, I found their mean price to be 130.5. Okay. So now I could write B is 130.5 and C I don't know. So I write this as X. Now the mixture mean price should be 153. So I know by allegation X minus 153 upon 153 minus 130.5 should be equal to the ratio that they are taken in. Now here A is 1 unit, B is 1 unit. So total is how many? 2 units. And C is also 2 units. So 2 by 2, that is 1:1. Is this part understood now? I hope this is understood now. Naveen, Abhijit, others, please reply yes or no. If this part is done, we'll proceed. We'll go to partnership. We'll start partnership today. We are running late. Why are you taking what? Kappa, what? Because we are adding 2 parts. Now A and B together. We have taken A and B together. So we are taking 2 parts. If it was only A, we would have taken 1 ratio. Understood? Kappa? Yes, sir. Chalo, great. So we are proceeding to partnership now. I am discussing basics of partnership. All of you will know these things. There is nothing issue. Partnership is matlab 2 people are investing some money. 2 people are investing some money. So such kind of question, 2 or more people basically, are called partnership questions. Now there are various cases. Okay. The first case, guys, this is a very, very, very small thing. If you have any doubt, please ask. When unequal capital matlab unequal amount is invested for equal time, that is A is spending 10,000, okay, and B is spending 20,000 for 1 year. For 1 year, find the profit ratio. So profit ratio will be ratio of investment. Is this point clear? When the time is same, but the money is different. Here only one variable you have, right? Money is different, time is same. So the ratio of profit of A and B will be 10,000 by 20,000. That is 1:2. Is this point cleared? Yes or no? Please tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Others, yes or no? Yes or no? Once more. Okay, great. Naveen. See, I'm saying if two people, A and B, have invested two amounts, X and Y, for same time, then the profit of A by profit of B will be same as the amount they have invested, X by Y. Okay? It's a very basic thing, na? जितना आप लगाओगे उतना ही आपको रिटर्न मिलेगा. If you are investing for the same time, yes or no? Okay? So this is the first case. Acha, now this is a question. Investment is given, profit is given. Find total profit is given. Find A's profit. So how to find? I told you A by B. How will they invest the profit? In the ratio of their investment. So 3600 by 4800. This is their investment. On cancelling, you will get this is 0 gone, 0 gone. 3 by 4. So A will get 3 part and B will get 4 part. Is this point getting cleared? A will get 3 part, B will get 4 part. A will get 3 part, B will get 4 part. Now we are saying at the end of the year, B's profit is given. That means 4 part is given as 1208. B is getting how much? 4 parts. This is not the total profit. This is B's profit. B is getting 4 parts. So 4 part is given as this. Can we find A's profit? Yes, sir. A's profit is 3 part. So first find 1 part. 1 part will be 302. So what will be 3 parts? 906. Answer Swaha. Was this question understood? Jaldi batao. I don't think so. There is anything difficult here. This is a basic ratio question. Anyone has any difficulty? And people have gone. 281 from 440. Attendance given and then ran away. Wrong thing, na? This is very wrong. Guys, one more thing. You will be getting the sheets, okay? Till partnership, you will be getting the sheets. Sheets will be uploaded by tonight or by tomorrow morning. Study sheet as well as practice sheet. So, in the weekend, in Saturday and Sunday, on Saturday and Sunday, please revise all the concepts that you have studied, okay, before, and try to practice those questions as well. Most probably by tomorrow morning, you'll be getting the sheets on the website. Okay. So it's your duty. Now my duty is done. Actually, I have my university. Okay. No problem. After on Sunday, you can do at night. It will not take 1 to 2 hours. Okay. After exam, if you are free, if you are not tired, you can do this. Chalo, this question is clear. Done. Now see. Now what about equal capital but a different time? This partnership consists of two things, money and time. These are the two parameters. Okay. First we discuss this is different, this is same. Now we are saying this is same and this is different. Okay. Then what? So it will be distribution of profit and loss when equal capital, that is this is same and time is different. Okay. Now let's take a question. Govind and Murari started a business with equal capitals. Govind terminated the partnership. Matlab he left after 7 months. At the end of the year, they earned a profit of 7,600. Find the profit. And it will be same, na? Acha. This is C. Govind and Suresh, Murari. So if Govind left after 7 months, so Govind was there for how many months? 7 months. And Murari, did Murari left? No, Murari did not leave. So Murari was there for how many months? 1 year, that is 12 months. So the profit will be shared in the ratio 7 by 12. Is this point cleared? When money was different, the ratio was for money. Okay, Akshata, there will be an assignment. Sakshi, yes, assignment. No, you don't have any assignment. You have practice questions. You can solve practice questions. Okay, I am uploading those by tomorrow. Akshata, I did not understand your doubt. I haven't attended the first 3 sessions and this is my second session. Okay, so no problem, Akshata. You can go. I guess you have those YouTube links also. You can go through those to revise what we have done. You also have the study material that I'll be providing you. If you have any doubts, you can come back to me. I'll let you know. Okay. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Okay, sorry. So where were we? What did I say? Okay, since here the amount is same and the time is different, the profit will be shared in the ratio of time. Okay. Anyone has any doubt in this part? Just one more chat. Those recorded videos are for live. This is something which you have to talk to the team. I'm not very sure about this. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is 7:12. Okay. So the ratio will be what? Acha, one more thing, guys. Please give me 2 minutes. We'll discuss 1 or 2 questions. Then I'll answer all your doubts. So Govind is to Murari 7:12. That means Govind is getting 7 parts and Murari is getting 12 parts. Is this point clear? Govind 7 parts and Murari 12 parts. Okay. How much is the total profit? 7,600. So find the profit of each of them. So Govind will get 7/19. Is this point clear? एकदम basic वाला ratio जो हमने कल भी किया था. Ratio. Govind is getting 7 part out of 7 plus 12, 19 parts. And the total amount is 7,600. So 19 4s are 400. That is 2,800 will be received by Govind and the remaining will be received by Murari. 4,800. Is this question cleared? Yes or no? Yes or no? Is this question done? Yes or no? Jaldi batao, is this question done? Yes or no? Why 19? Because the total ratio is 19. No, tomorrow we don't have a lecture. We have a lecture on Monday. 7 plus 12, 19. Total is 19. Out of which Govind is getting 7 parts. Guys, any doubts here? Any doubts? Got it, sir. Great. Others also got it? Anyone has any doubt? Please tell me. Yes, sir. Others also got it. Great, guys. Okay, so now basically we are done with this part. Partnership. There is one more part that we'll be doing in the next class. No worries. But till then we are done. So you can ask whatever doubts you have to me. Please write in the chat box whatever doubts you have for me. So I don't have a story today. Today I'll be just discussing all the doubts that you guys have. No, Archana, current today I don't have any story. Okay, let's check first what are the questions that people asked here. Sorry, no doubts, sir, no doubts. Okay, tomorrow is not the lecture. The next lecture will be on Monday and Tuesday most probably. Yes, you have lectures. How many days this course will be there for us? Most probably by Wednesday you will be done with quantitative aptitude. So you have great patience. Okay, thank you, Archana. Yesterday's story was super, sir. Okay, I'll try to initiate a story on Monday as well. Okay. Anyone has any doubts, any other doubts related to this or related to any other things? Can ask. Okay, someone asked my ID yesterday, right? LinkedIn ID. No problem. So this is okay. Sorry, this will be for everyone. Yes. So this is my ID. What if time is not same? Okay. If time is not same and amount is same, then what you will do? You'll find the ratio of amounts. For example, here the amount was of A was 3,600 and B was 4,800. So the profit will be shared in this ratio only, 3600 is to 4800. Okay. Thank you, Kiran. Okay, sorry, you was asking about what if time is not same. Time is not same, then the ratio will be depending on the time they have invested for. See, Govin invested for 7 months, Murari invested for 12 months. So the ratio will be 7 is to 12. Okay. Yes, sir, your lecture was too good, but can you provide speed and cover more questions? Sure, we'll do that. Definitely, we'll try to do that, Nikita. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, this was not for you to. Chalo, theek hai, I'll definitely do that. Others, is there any other doubt? Did you guys enjoy the session? Is the doubt done? Why do we multiply in this case? Varanasi once again, ratio twice and thrice. Varanasi, sorry, I did not understand your question. Lokesh, I did not understand your question. Can you please post it again? So much enjoyed, sir. Sir, enjoyed the session. Others, did you enjoy, guys? Was it a good session? Did you understand? Was this session? Yes. Did you learn something? Yes, learn something new. So this is what I wanted to ask. Yes. Thank you so much, because hard work, now we can solve questions. Thank you, Sakshi, so much. Others, so I hope this was a good session. We'll meet next on Monday, the same time at 7 T worth profit ratio. Okay. This we can do the next day. Ashwarya, can you please remind me the next day? We'll do this for sure. Thank you so much, guys. Nikita, really sorry for today. We'll do it the next day. Please remind me at the starting of the session on Monday. I'll repeat this question, okay? Next topic will be time and work and speed, time and distance. This cover on Monday itself. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, guys. Thank you so much. So now, good night. Have a nice weekend, all of you. Enjoy, party hard, study also. Bye, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Yes, bye. Good night, guys. Thank you.